kitchen I installed over 20 years ago. So unfortunately, things happened and there was a leak in the ceiling, which ruined this portion of the kitchen. So the homeowners came back to me so that I could work along with them and the vendors to get this kitchen back to its former glory as soon as possible. So I want to show you the process of how we do that step by step. So the first portion of the rebuilding process is unique on this project because it has to go in exactly the way that it came out. So we're out here today taking physical measurements and we're going to compare them with our original drawings to make sure when we send them over to the factory, everything is being built exactly the way it was the first time and there's no errors when the product comes in. So the next step of the rebuilding process is to create a scope of work for the demolition contractor so he knows exactly what parts have to be taken out, how they have to be taken out, and what parts need to be protected and saved to go back in since this isn't a complete kitchen remodel. Another important detail that I wanted to mention was because this kitchen is 20 years old, cabinetry changes color with time. So if you notice some of our doors are missing, it's because we sent them to the cabinet vendor so they have an exact sample of the existing kitchen, so when they're making a new product, it's going to be an exact match. Now that our scope of work is prepared and our contractors have reviewed it, the next thing is to start our demolition. So today we're going to start preparing by covering all the floors, closing up all the openings with plastic and all the doorways so no dust and debris gets in the adjoining rooms. So let's watch contractors take this kitchen apart now. Now that all our cabinets and countertops are taken out, the drywall contractor came in and he put his drywall up. So the next thing they're going to do is spackle, sand everything, and get ready for paint. So let's watch them spackle the drywall now. So now that all the ceiling, trim, and walls are painted, our next step is to install the recessed lighting and get ready to install the cabinetry.
All right, you've waited long enough. You're ready for the final reveal? Here it is, back to perfect. If you want more information on kitchen renovation and restoration, just type kitchen and I'll send it to you.